What is up, my amazing people?
Whoa, what a view. Was that a drone shot?
No,
What was that? An airplane shot?
a bird.
A bird? We got a little animatronic and it was just like well, if it's not a plane and it's not a bird and it's not a drone, what else can be the other option?
Hot air balloon.
Oh, that is true. But not in this video. Not today. We're going up in the air, enjoying an amazing view on a helicopter. Woo! We're gonna go up in the air.
Up
In the air.
and we're gonna see the beautiful lights of Las Vegas up in the sky.
Yeah, so in a different level.
Yes, and where they're gonna tell us like each casino, how much each casino per se like has of hotel rooms.
Can you not?
It's another Nayeli video.
Hey, but it's not windy.
Yeah.
Thank the Lord.
So yeah, we're gonna be flying. We're gonna make a loop, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's exciting.
Yeah.
So,
It's my first time in a helicopter ride, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna experience it together, you know, as a familia, as the amigo gang.
Together. But
Oh, I got it now. It's Greece.
yeah. So yes, so we're about to go get checked in and get everything ready. So
Yes, so
next
it's
time
gonna
we'll
be-
see you
It's gonna be en la noche, dark,
en la noche
en la noche,
con la luna,
y las estrellas. No.
estrellas.
Y las luces del strip. Which it means in the stars, in the dark, with the moon and the strip view.
But next time we see you, we'll be up in that helicopter.
Yes,
So
we'll see ya.
I am Mario.
Oh yeah. Stoked. We're just waiting in the lobby area, so yeah, it's fun. We'll see.
Waiting.
We're just waiting to be called in. Enjoying this lovely video. A view of this video that keeps replaying over and over. But yeah, we're just waiting for our name to be called and get over there. It's a pretty fast procedure of like how you go in, very particular, so
Very strict.
very strict.
Mia, Matthew, Noah, Madison, Kendall, and Nayeli.
adventure we took on today, seeing Vegas from a different perspective. Now, would I recommend going? Yes and no, and let me explain. It's an amazing experience that you gotta try at least once in your life. But try to find a deal. Experiences like this in Vegas are not the cheapest, unless you get them with like a bundle, and I mean for an 8 to 10 minute airtime or like things that you get up in the air, you would want it to be worth your money. In all, no doubt that Vegas is opening up more and more. We even went to go check out the garden at the Bellagio, because I mean, why not? And well, I'll have you take a look for yourself. Well, we're definitely not in the pandemic anymore. We came to the Bellagio because we wanted to give you guys a look of what this time of the year it's decorated as.
Yeah, so it looks like mermaid or something.
No, it's not mermaid. I think it's more like fairies, and well, we'll let you be the judges of that. But there's no line to be made anymore. You just go as you please. I kind of liked it before. It was a little bit more intimate. Yeah, intimate. You had your time. You didn't have people like walking on your pictures or anything like that. But I'll take you guys into a closer look. As you can see, things are opening up more and more, and I cannot wait to see what other things we explore along the way, also giving you the opportunity to do the same. And on that note, I wanted to invite you to stay along for the word of the day, where I talk to you guys about what I took from today's adventure. So today's word of the day is soaring. I know, we're soaring, flying, eh? Not gonna lie, I was pretty scared at first getting into the helicopter. Not knowing how it would feel brought some worrying in me. But once we got started up and going up, it felt so unreal and pretty much had like my little Peter Pan moment. That feeling of overlooking everything and seeing the casino shine in their own way was so pretty, and it was so cool to see as well. It's crazy to imagine that for one person, it might take them a few days to see everything, while it took us about 8 minutes. Soaring gives us the opportunity to be in our own headspace, not needing to talk to anybody, but simply being in the moment and enjoying what no words can express, giving us the opportunity to see what we have lacked to see. Sometimes I find myself worrying about the smallest things and forget to take a step back and see the bigger picture of where I'm headed. So take a moment and take as many soaring moments in your life. Take a step back and just live in the moment of what you have accomplished. The rest will come in its time. Thank you for taking your time and watching this video. Please join our amigos by subscribing to my channel for more adventures I take you along with. Remember that you are the light of the world, so don't let anybody or anything dull that shine. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and adios amigos.